Hello everyone. Welcome to TechMaster YouTube channel. I'm passionate about technology and I love sharing my knowledge with others. I hope you'll enjoy my videos and learn something new. So subscribe and join us on our journey into the world of tech. Now let's go to this video. The iPhone SE is a popular series of smartphones from Apple, known for its compact design and affordable price. The latest model, the iPhone SE 2022, was released in March 2022. There have been rumors about a new iPhone SE for some time, and in April 2023, analyst Jeff Koo from Haitong International Securities predicted that Apple would release a third-generation iPhone SE in 2023. This article will discuss the rumored specifications and features of the next iPhone SE, based on the latest rumors and leaks. The most recent rumors suggest that the next iPhone SE will have a similar design to the iPhone SE 2022, with a 4.7-inch Retina HD display and a home button with Touch ID. However, there have also been reports that Apple may adopt a new design for the iPhone SE, with a larger 5.7-inch display and no home button. It is also possible that Apple will release two versions of the iPhone SE in 2023, one with a 4.7-inch display and one with a 5.7-inch display. This would allow Apple to appeal to a wider range of customers. Performance: the iPhone SE 2022 is powered by the A15 Bionic chip, which is one of the fastest chips on the market. It is likely that the next iPhone SE will be powered by the A16 Bionic chip, which is expected to be released in 2023. The A16 Bionic chip will be even faster than the A15 Bionic chip, and it will also be more efficient, which will help to improve battery life. Camera: the iPhone SE 2022 has a 12-megapixel rear camera and a 7-megapixel front-facing camera. It is possible that the next iPhone SE will have a better camera system, with a higher resolution rear camera and a wider angle front-facing camera. Battery life: the iPhone SE 2022 has a 1,821 mAh battery, which provides good battery life for a phone of its size. However, it is possible that the next iPhone SE will have a larger battery, which would further improve battery life. Software: the next iPhone SE will likely come with iOS 16, the latest version of Apple's mobile operating system. iOS 16 will include a number of new features, such as live text, SharePlay, and Focus. Price: the iPhone SE 2022 starts at $399, which is a very affordable price for a smartphone with the A15 Bionic chip. It is likely that the next iPhone SE will also be priced affordably, starting at $399 or $449. Conclusion: the next iPhone SE is expected to be a great smartphone for people who want a compact, affordable, and powerful iPhone. It is likely to have a similar design to the iPhone SE 2022, but it may have a larger display and a better camera system. It will also be powered by the A16 Bionic chip, which will make it one of the fastest smartphones on the market. The next iPhone SE is expected to be released in 2023, and it is sure to be a popular choice for many people. Additional information: here are some additional information about the next iPhone SE. It is rumored to be released in the first half of 2023. It is rumored to be available in 64 GB, 128 GB, and 256 GB storage capacities. It is rumored to support 5G connectivity. However, it is important to note that these are just rumors, and nothing has been confirmed by Apple. The actual specifications and features of the next iPhone SE may be different from what has been rumored. I hope this article has been informative. Please let me know if you have any other questions. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one. And as always, feel free to leave a comment below and let me know what you think.